March 22nd. The sign of true education. What is it, then, to be properly educated? It is learning to apply our natural preconceptions to the right thing according to nature. And beyond that, to separate the things that lie within our power from those that don't. Epictetus. A degree on a wall means you are educated as much as shoes on your feet mean you are walking. At the start, but hardly sufficient. Otherwise, how could so many educated people make unreasonable decisions or miss so many obvious things? Partly, it's because they forget that they ought to focus only on that which lies within their power to control. A surviving fragment from the philosopher Heraclitus expresses that reality. Many have learned to revisit countless names of gods and monsters never understand that night and day are one. Just as you walk plenty well without shoes. You don't need to step into a classroom to understand the basic, fundamental reality of nature and of our proper role in it. Begin with awareness and reflection, not just once, every single second of every single day.
Thank you for tuning in to today's episode of I'm Max with your host, Max Roag. If you found value in our journey together, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an upcoming episode. Loved what you heard? Take a moment to capture a screenshot and share it on your social media platforms. Don't forget to tag Max. He's excited to share in your experience and offer his gratitude in return. For those eager to dive deeper, discuss today's topic, or if you're interested in being a guest on the show, please check out the show notes for all the ways to connect directly with Max. Max appreciates your choosing to spend your valuable time with him. As you go about your day, remember this empowering thought. You are your own hero. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep growing.